This, in my opinion, is one of the best C6 Corvettes GM ever made. This is a 2008 Z06 package, which means you got the LS7 engine, 7-liter, 427 cubic inch, 505 horsepower, 6-speed manual. This car is a lot of fun. Torch red. It's got nice polished wheels. This thing's in excellent condition. It's got just over 37,000 original miles. Just beautiful. And if you've never driven one of these LS7 427s are just a lot of fun. Tons of torque, tons of low-end torque, good high-end power, power everywhere you need it. This also came with the wide body and aluminum frame, just like the ZR1s. The Z06 and the ZR1s both came with those. Wide body aluminum frame, has the stock exhaust. And obviously under the hood here, stock air intake, that type of thing. This car has not been abused. A good selling point on this car is the LS7 has had some head work done to it, and you'll be able to find a receipt in our ad for the head work that was done. That's a common problem on these with the valve train, and that has all been taken care of, so you can buy this one with confidence. Make sure to take a look at the repair order in our ad if you're interested in this car. So I'm gonna hop in. This also came with the upgraded two-tone leather interior. Beautiful interior, very comfortable. Fires up nice and easy. There you have it. 37,474 miles. Got your heat and air conditioning, AC blow you out. This also has heated seats, which is nice. It's got your Corvette stock infotainment and radio. Yes, I'm afraid that I am. It's got the Bose stereo. It sounds really nice. Very comfortable cockpit. We got power windows, of course. And then check out there, you get the Z06 badging under the hood, 505 horse call out. Windows are tinted, which I personally really like. It's a very nice tint. Also have a heads-up display. You can see it there in the video. On the ZR1 and the Z06s with the wide body, these are fixed. This is a fixed panel. It's not like the base coupes where you can take this off. This is fixed to the car for rigidity. All right, there you have it, folks. Under the hood here, there's your LS7 427 in action. You can hear it idling. Just purrs. All right, moving on to the paint and body. Paint and body is in really good shape. The front bumper here looks awesome. Headlights also in really good shape. You can see it does just have a little bit of sun fade in these headlights. That's very common on these. It's not bad, but if you look at it really closely, you can see just a little bit of haziness. Not too bad though. There is a chip there that's been touched up right on the end. Not super noticeable. This headlight does have a couple scratches in it going across. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, there you go. Again, not horrible. Love these polished wheels. These tires are date code 2022. So we got a newer set of Firehawk Indy 500 tires. Love that dash. Very clean interior. Wonderful sounding exhaust. This does have the system. It's an adaptive exhaust in the muffler. So when you get to a certain RPM, it opens up a valve in the mufflers and it gets even louder when you're driving it. Makes for a really fun and engaging driving experience, especially with the 6-speed behind a 7-liter, of course. So if you're interested in this 2008 Z06, 37,000 miles, the heads have been worked. Please go to our website, scroll down, there's a link in the description. Take you right to our page, find all the photographs, you can find that invoice for the head work that was done. And if you have any more questions or if you'd like to make an offer, don't hesitate, give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks for watching.